In this first project, you'll start by creating and simulating robots directly in a web browser. To begin, open your favorite web browser and point it to www.uvm.edu/MWAGY. Mark Wagey is a graduate student here at UVM and is the author of this particular application. /robots/.bot, and this will take you to the DotBot application. You start by drawing the body of your robot, and you do that by connecting dots together. Once you've created the body of your robot, click Go, and that robot will now be simulated inside a physics engine that's running directly in your web browser. You've created the body for your robot, and the computer has created a brain for your robot, and when you put body and brain together, your robot starts to behave in the physics engine. As it does, you'll notice that time counts down, so the computer only allows the robot to move for a certain period of time. As it's moving, the computer is recording how far from the origin, or this red dot, the robot has moved, and the computer will show you how well your robot did compared against other robots created by other users. You can click Go again, and your computer will now simulate your robot a second time, and as it does, your computer will try and improve on the behavior of the robot. In essence, you're giving your computer another chance to improve or optimize the brain of this robot. If you wait for this robot to finish and click Go again, the robot might improve further, and you can continue this process of trying to improve your robot and get it to perform better against the field of all the other robots that are out there. Alternatively, you can click Reset and draw a different kind of robot. In this case, I've drawn the Crossbot, which is a robot that's been created by many other users before, and you'll notice that when you do, this robot right out of the gate will perform relatively well. The reason why is because it's starting with a brain that's been optimized by a lot of other users out on the web. How many different body plans can you find that do well compared to the robots created by other users? To submit your completed work to Ludobots, you first need to take a screenshot of your robot. Now you need to upload your screenshot to an online image sharing site like Imgur. You now need to copy the URL, and we're going to submit it to the project Connect the DotBot on Ludobots. So on the Connect the DotBot project, you can see there's an arrow, Submit Work for this project. If I click on that, Ludobots will create a custom submission for me. I've been given a title and the text. In the text box, all you need to do is replace work submission details URLs here with the actual URL of your screenshot on Imgur, and then click Submit. When I do, and if I now return to the main Ludobot subreddit, I see that my submission to Connect the DotBot is at the top of the subreddit. You're now ready to continue on to the next project.